Hello everyone. Here you can see right now I am sending 46,900 emails at once using my unlimited free SMTP software, and all the thing is free. The software is free and SMTP is free. It's a totally black hat method, and right now I am sending a ClickBank offer to a ClickBank health niche email list. Right now it's a 46,917 email in the list, and right now you can see the number of successful messages. It's mean the email sending 4,000 in just couple of minutes right now, and you can see there is no failed message yet. So how you can get this message, and how and what is all the processes I am providing. It's a course. You will get the free software with the unlimited SMTP. How you will get the free SMTP? So you can send 50 to 100,000 email in just 1 hour using this black hat method. Also you will get this free software, free SMTP searching method, and how you can get the list from perfectly niche based totally. So you can target your affiliate offers, your own products, services, anything else you wanted to promote it, you can promote it. It's on you. So you will get the first this software, second SMTP servers totally free. You can send 500 emails to 100,000 emails in just a day. You can use this type of SMTP. There is more than 50,000 to 100,000 SMTPs per day. You can use it. And third, you will get the target based niche email list. So you can target it your clients and spam them, you can as much as you can, and there is so much traffic you will get it from this, and I am right now getting it. That's why I just show it to you. And fourth, you will get all the support from my side. So I hope you enjoy this video, and now I will just say to you, just Skype me in the description box, and as you can see I make a limit of 5,000 emails in just 10 seconds, and here you can see in 10 minutes it's just done it, and again in the another 5,000 emails sending starting. So I hope you enjoy the video, and please, if you need this kind of course, you can come and Skype me about the details. I will show it to you. The price is only $100, my friend. First I tell you, the price is only $100. This is not power MTA, there is nothing else. And the important thing is that you don't need to spend a penny, means you don't need to spend a single dollar or even a penny after buying this course. You will get all the things: SMTP, free SMTP for sending emails, free software, and everything is free. Even the niche email list you will get it from my side, and I will provide my support as well. I hope you enjoy the video, and please contact me if you really need it. Thank you.